Hello, and welcome back to the Project Management Whisper. I recently read an excellent article by Shivani Farani in the BBN Times in which she discussed the need to avoid micromanaging. For project managers, the idea of micromanaging is often attractive but misguided. It is attractive because project managers are often asked to plan at a very detailed level. For example, with any given tasks, precisely who, what, when, how should a resource work on a particular task. When things go wrong, project managers' analytical brain often kicks into action and start looking at the nth level of detail to figure out what went wrong and how to improve. But while micromanaging sometimes works in specific cases, such as root cause analysis, it often misses the bigger picture. Project managers are first and foremost responsible for the integration of all aspects of the project. If they're in the weeds of things, can they see the grass, the field, the environment in which they operate? So as your experience takes you to the next level of managing larger and complex projects, you need to start thinking about not just managing tasks on an Excel sheet, for example, but also people, teams, and sometimes organization that comes together to work on the project. Ask yourself this: would you rather be micromanaged by your boss, or would you rather be empowered to do the right thing? Thank you.